Hey y'all, it's Yvette and I have my CatLadyBox. Now you guys, you know how hectic my life has been. This is the October box, okay? So this box I have been holding on to throughout this whole crazy month of October. I know y'all all think I'm crazy that I can't just open the box, but you know, Jelly Bean wants to be on camera. I did call him. Where'd he go? Jelly Bean. He's taking a bath. He's giving himself a bath. Are you gonna come up here and open the box with Mom? You've been waiting for this. All right, let's just get it open and he'll come up here. So here it is. I did cut the tape, but that's it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So here's the inside. There he goes. See, I told you he'd come up here. He's got that nose for the nip. Okay, come over here, buddy. Come over here. Come on this side. Okay, look at this artwork, you guys. Oh my goodness, how flippin' cute is that? The featured cat lady artist is Monica Suska, and that's her artwork. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me just put that to the side for a second. We're gonna get this thing open. Here we go, JB. Let's see what's in here, buddy. We got, let's rip the tape. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm excited because, okay. Y'all, it's a kitty cat dressed up like a pineapple. Are you watching this, Christy? A kitty cat dressed up like a pineapple. Look, buddy. I bet that there's some nip in there, huh? Let me cut off the tag, buddy. Just cut off the tag and then you can go play with it. Got that tag, and we'll cut this tag off his booty. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Look, Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean, what if Mommy dressed you up like a pineapple? You be excited? You get upset? What'd you do? All right, I'm gonna set him over right there. Now here's the other one. It's a cat paw with nip in it, of course. So we're gonna hand this over to Mr. JB. JB, what's going on, buddy? You want to tell everybody how you're liking your new house? Do you like it? And we've got Smudgy and Spooky Scout over here having a little tussle. I don't know why. Who knows? But that is like so cute. Look, do you smell the nip? You smell it? Yeah. Is that one for you then? That's gonna be yours. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, he loving it. Okay, there you go. Let's set it down right there. Okay, we've got a Meowsing cat magnets. It's a set of 6. I'm gonna get it open because they're sliding down. Do you guys really have to fight like while I'm on a camera? Really? Are you serious right now? Are you kidding me right meow? You're fine, buddy. You're fine. Okay. Oh my goodness. And now I have a refrigerator that will actually hold magnets. So I'm really excited. I'm sorry, sweetheart. That's Mommy's fault. Because I'm trying to hold them in the little pocket thing, and they're flying out anyway. It's okay. I mean, they're supposed to come out. But there they are. Hold on, let me try to get a little bit closer. They're all the same little kitty cat, but different colors in the background. Okay, cool. I can't wait to put those up. Do you like those, JB? He's like, yeah, whatever. Is there more nip in there? All right, here's my t-shirt. It says Black Cat Fan Club. Yes, please. And the shirt is, it's like a really deep purple. It's not coming across that way on the camera, but super cute. Oh my goodness, I love this shirt. Okay, love the shirt. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put everything. Okay, I'm going to put that there. And then, oh my goodness, Jelly Bean. It looks like a blanket, buddy. Y'all, they love all their blankets from CatLadyBox because, and there's a whole bunch of them on the floor over here. And they it comforts them, you know, like we got here, we're in a new place, but they had all their stuff, you know, from CatLadyBox. So, oh my goodness, this is so soft. It kind of matches me too. It's got a whole bunch of black cats on it. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. It's a nice, big, just soft, flimsy blanket. It's amazing. Oh, what do you think, Jelly Bean? Is it soft? Yeah? What you think, buddy? Yeah? They're going to commandeer this from me, I can tell you. Oh my goodness, the October box. Okay, so I have to say, just the slightest bit disappointed that there are no kitty ears for me. However, I love the shirt. I love this blanket. I love those magnets. The toys for the kids are adorable. So I still love you, CatLadyBox, more than anything. I just I have been getting this box for so long, you guys. And I don't remember, this is this Spooky Scout, believe it or not. Spooky Scout. I don't remember anything being like duplicated and everything is, I am telling you, it's so tastefully done. You know, I love CatLadyBox. Dorian, hats off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so and ring that bell so you know every time I have a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.